This is a cleaned up, painted, resin casted Torin Blower. You can't really find these too easily anymore, a real one. The cast does a pretty good job because it's just sitting behind the passenger seat. You don't really see it too often. My understanding is these were originally for possibly an air hockey table, maybe. I don't know how much truth there is to that, but this is it. So we'll get this installed. So fun fact, if you look at the back piece that I'm pointing at, in the C car, it's actually upside down. Alright, we're installing the Torin Blower. Alright, so we got the cable lock boxes and the correct screen accurate cords. The problem is these do not fit. They're too thick. If you look at the screen accurate photos, you can see that they have a little bit of flimsiness on the entrance. And the reason why they look like that is because the insides need to be drilled out with a Dremel. So that's what we're going to do right now. Very carefully. Here we go. And then the next thing we do is those wires. These cable glands are not 100% screen accurate, but they're pretty damn close. May replace them over time, but this is the ones I found and used. For this, we need 3 yellow, 8 red, 9 blue, and 6 orange, and roughly 1.88 meters long. And I'm just installing the wires exactly the same way. I tried to fold them afterwards as best as I could to replicate the A car in the Peterson Museum. This is the next piece I have that I put together. I am horrible at spray painting, as you can see. It's a pretty bad job. I'm probably gonna have to sand this all down and redo it again as I learn how to spray paint better. But essentially what this is a LMB box, which is the same box that the original DeLorean had in 1985 and today at the Peterson Museum. You can still order these today. And then over here you have casted cannon elbows. These are resin casted. They look, just like they would. You can see in the detail. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Canon. Pretty good cast of it. I just spray painted it with a silver. Did some speckled black on it. A little bit of sepia tint. Using this just to add a little bit of texture and making it look, you know, worn a little bit. And then these are just like Jubilee pipe clamps. I only connected it from the middle side, so it's a little wobbly, so I gotta add the extra ones in. This oxygen bottle looking thing is actually a bailout bottle for, I believe, Vietnam fighter jets. Originally green. I think they all came out green. This is the original part from what I understand, just painted red. So this is like, you know, if you're in a fighter jet and you had the ejector seat go off, this would be the oxygen that would support you for X amount of minutes. At least that's my understanding. If I am incorrect, and if anybody knows any more detail about this, please let me know in the comments. So this just sits below the SID. There's one more piece that I haven't sourced yet, which is another hose that connects right here and goes, you know, right in between the other elbows on the flux capacitor. So that will be added on in a later date, but this we can just put in now. Thanks.